Welcome back to our channel. We have another update for you guys. Good news this time. Emmett bought the right taillights, so we got those installed. Sorry we didn't bring the camera out for it. We were just kind of in a rush. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to go pick up the rear bumper from paint and install it. The E46 will no longer look bunk. Promise you that. So catch you guys at paint shop. What up guys, we're at Maaco, which is where Emmett got the bumper painted. So yeah, bumper's on, except for the diffuser. I think they did a really good job at paint matching it. You know, it's kind of tough when they don't have the car to blend the paint, but yeah.
It's pretty damn close though.
Especially for a 15-year-old car, it's really close.
I'm happy with it. I'm happy to have my car in one piece again. And
yeah.
I'm sure Josh already let you know, got the new taillights in, so
Yeah.
this isn't cracked anymore.
Yeah, they look clean. Nice and clean, and we're getting this tightened up to the crash extension, or the reinforcement.
That, whatever you call them.
Yeah, we already got the sensors plugged back in. So yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, sorry we didn't show installing these taillights, but we kind of went through the process when we were taking them off. We kind of talked through it, so figured we just, you know.
Friggin' helicopter, you can't hear anything. Yeah, you tighten that.
All right.
We're good to go. Oh, there goes your phone.
Right.
I think we're good to go now.
It's good. Oh well.
Yeah, that'll be covered up with the diffuser.
Yeah, once I get it on there, that'll kind of straighten it out.
Do you have it at your house?
Yeah. Got it at my house, so I can
Sweet.
I don't know if we'll be able to get it on though.
Why?
I'm pretty sure the bolts didn't come with it when I ordered it.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We gotta swing by. We gotta swing by BMW. Sick. Well.
You got. Oh, don't you know?
I guess we're gonna pick this up in a little bit. Hey guys, sorry we didn't make an ending to the video, so just picked up the camera right now. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I'm also gonna be working on another vlog. It's actually a product review for Shine Armor, so stay tuned for that. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah.